She's here, y'all. I'm so excited. Royal Caribbean's newest Oasis class ship, Utopia the Seas, is finally here in her new home, Port Canaveral. She arrived yesterday morning, Thursday morning, July 11th at Port Canaveral, and her new home is going to be here at Terminal 1. I am so excited. There were several people out there at Jetty Park welcoming her here at Port Canaveral. The countdown is almost over, y'all. This is so exciting. I cannot believe we have been counting down so long now, and we have 1 week left till the inaugural sailing. I am so excited. I'll be on the inaugural sailing July 19th. I cannot wait. I am super excited. But for some people, to have less than a week, there are several lucky winners that will be on the Utopia the Seas July 15th through July 17th for a special 3-day sailing with the godmother, Meghan Trainor. Last week, Utopia the Seas announced the godmother, Meghan Trainor, and they were doing a sweepstakes on Instagram, and 52 lucky winners and their companions will get a chance to not only sail on a 3-day sailing prior to the inaugural sailing, they get a chance to go to the naming ceremony and we'll meet Meghan Trainor. So that is super exciting, but the sweepstakes is over. The lucky winners have been announced via direct message and Instagram. Did you enter the contest? If you did, check your direct messages. And if you won, leave me a comment. I would love to hear if you won the contest. That is so exciting. A 3-day cruise, July 15th to July 17th. And I am super excited. Like I said, I will not only be on the July 19th sailing, but I'll be out again July 29th and then August 9th. So I have 3 sailings. Not only am I excited about 3 sailings, but I would love to be able to see what is going to be the difference here on Utopia the Seas from their 3 days and their 4 days. Which one is going to be better? Plus, as we know, sometimes there's a little bit of kinks on the inaugural sailing that they're still trying to work out and still trying to get figured out. So I'm really curious, is my experience going to be a little different on the July 29th sailing than going to be on my inaugural sailing July 19th? But irregardless, I am super excited. I cannot wait to be on any of these sailings. Now, you definitely want to hit that subscribe because the countdowns may be over, but I will bring a live to you when we get on the Utopia the Seas. Hopefully the internet will hold out for me and I will be able to do a live for you before we sail away, but we will be there. Our arrival time is at 11:30, so hopefully shortly after that, once I get on board, I'll start doing a live and sharing some of the stuff here with you. But as you can see, it is a beautiful ship and I cannot wait to get on this ship and just try out some of these new things. Now, like I've said several times before on some of my other countdowns, we've talked about the Royal Railway. Super excited about this. I've even mentioned the prices in a few of my other videos here. Check them out. But sometimes I've mentioned that the Royal Railway came on my Royal app, but I couldn't reserve it. Then it came off, then it came back on. Well, now I've checked this morning and it's back off. And I've heard several people asking, well, is it even going to be ready? Well, it appears that she is ready and they've already been testing it. Crew members have already been in there. So hopefully it's just they're going to bring it back on the Royal app so it can get reserved for the inaugural sailing. But like I said, sometimes there are some kinks to be worked out when you are on the inaugural sailing. So who knows, but hopefully it will get worked out and she will be on the Royal app here soon. And another thing about the Royal app is I've noticed that the entertainment shows still are not showing. So I'm hoping those show up here pretty soon too, because I'm really excited about some of these, like the 80 Aqua 2 show. I can't wait to go and see this show. So I was hoping that I could go ahead and reserve it. Usually a week out on any Royal Caribbean ships, you can go ahead and reserve your shows out more than a week out, but none of the entertainment shows are showing up. So hopefully some of these entertainment venues and the shows will start showing up on my Royal app soon. If they are showing up on yours, leave me a comment. I would love to hear your feedback and your comments here. But there are so many wonderful places, and the pools I cannot wait to go and visit. It's going to have a Oasis class vibe. So if you've been on Wonder of the Seas, it's going to have a lot of that same vibe and familiarity here with some new things. I cannot wait to see the Azumi in the park. Pesky Parrot is one that I'm really excited about going and checking out. It has like a tiki vibe, and they even have like an LED screen behind some of the seating, so you feel like you're right there at the beach drinking your little tiki drinks. So that is super exciting. I cannot wait to go to the Pesky Parrot. Now, like I mentioned in previous videos, that is taking place of the Bionic Bar, but hey, I'm okay with that. I love any kind of tiki tropical hut, so I cannot wait to go and check that out. And Giovanni's Italian Kitchen and Wine Bar, it's 2 stories now and overlooking the boardwalk, and it even has a little seating area outside. That is, I think I'm going to do that one. Spaghetti and meatballs and a glass of Cabernet Sauvignon. Yes, please. Look at this. It looks so nice, and you're overlooking the boardwalk, and you got those nice glow of lights at night. And then if you're sitting outside having dinner, you got that breeze right there in the middle off the boardwalk. So I'm really excited about that. But another one of my favorites, and this is making a comeback from other Oasis class ships, and that is the Solarium. No changes here, but I'm super excited to be back in the Solarium. If you saw my vlogs from the Wonder of the Seas, you know that was my favorite place, and I can tell you I will be back in the Solarium when I visit the Utopia of the Seas. But now something else that I cannot wait to see, and that is the spare tire. The spare tire is going to be poolside, and that is a complimentary quick bites area, and they do recommend the chicken sandwich. I love chicken sandwiches, so I'm going to grab me a chicken sandwich one day while I'm sitting outside by the pool. What are some things that you're excited about on the new Utopia of the Seas? Are you sailing on Utopia of the Seas soon? You definitely want to hit that subscribe. I've got so much content coming your way on Utopia of the Seas, and if there's something specific that you want to see when I'm on, definitely leave me a comment. Let me know, and I'll do the best I can to check it out for you. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.